What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Shaunz here reporting. Sorry, look a hot mess today. I just washed my hair and I'm gonna get it braided. I am so excited, you guys, because the last time I had my hair braided was in 2016, and that's about 3 years ago. So I haven't had any braids or any kind of extensions or protective styling like that. So I'm very excited, but I'm nervous at the same time because my scalp can get very tender and pulling it about is not something I really enjoy. So that's why I try not to, you know, braid my hair or anything like that. But I'm very excited because I'm excited to see what she's going to do with my hair. So my hairstylist should be coming anytime soon. I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair and then wait for it to dry, so when she comes it's nice and dry and clean. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Let me know if you liked my braids. It's gonna be interesting to see what she come up with. So yeah, I'm excited. So do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on my braids. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Please subscribe before you go. That red button down there is what you click. Subscribe to my channel, and whilst you're there, tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. So yeah, guys, comment down below and thumbs up this video if you liked my braids. So time for me to go and get my hair whipped into shape. So I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to take you through the process as well, so I hope you enjoy. So I'll see you guys later on. Bye bye.